Hello everyone. My name is Madina, and today with my friend Yesbayeva, I'm going to present our group's presentation, our group's project, so let's talk about this. Our group is the second group of the 14 practice, and then our topic's name is the happy life. So let's talk about why we take this. First of all, employees forget to pass periodical to other employees. Second problem is when the user doesn't have the opportunity to read the periodical and inform other about it, then the rest of employees cannot access the periodical. Third problem is notification of the system about subscriptions and the unsubscriptions. So today we're going to talk about all of these problems in detail. So let's start. First of all, let us introduce our team members. It will do Yesbayeva Saule.
Hello everyone, my name is Saule. I would like to introduce you to the members of our team on the project. Our first team member is backend developer Aitakhmetova Madina. Then the second team member is Erkin Abdikarimov. He is front-end developer. Then our project manager is Arynova. The second project manager is Tuleu Aruzhan. Then our team member Mazhtay Aigerim, she is product manager. Then, as Madina said before, we are speakers and presenters, Sapakhova Madina and Yesbayeva Saule. Then our last team member is Arynova. She is the presenter.
So let's continue. Now we are going to talk about our project requirements, and our project name is Happy Life. So now we are going to talk about the detail, and so let's start our requirements.
So let me introduce you to the documentation of our project. First of all, I would like to tell you about our project requirements specification. The first step of requirements is user. The definitions to this requirement is 1.1, register a new account as an employee or customer. 1.2, the employee can make change to the data about the request. 1.3, users can edit their profiles, and so on. The second type of requirement is functional. These are the definition to this requirement. 2.1, before entering the site, everyone must choose their role, employee or customer. 2.2, users must enter their registration details. The third type of requirement is non-functional. It have definitions that related to scalability, security, reliability, usability, efficiency, integrity, availability, and portability. Then the fourth type of requirement is implementation and or transition. These are the definitions of to this requirement. 4.1 start of the project, 4.2 explanation of the process, 4.3 build software, 4.4 user acceptance testing, and 4.5 support. The second part of our documentation is the main function of project. So the first working area is employee. The first working area is employee. Task 1.1 is getting a periodical from everyone. Problem, employees forget to pass the periodical to other employees. Then the second working area is librarian. There is task 2.1, register and remove people from circulation. Problem, it is quite burdensome for a librarian to register and remove people from circulation. So far, this reason is currently only possible twice a year.
So then let's talk about our project system architecture. First of all, we have employees and the customer. They can make the registration, go on the registration page, and the employee can sign up or sign in. And then after this, they will go to the main page. After this, they go to the library. they can go to the library. Employee can go to the employees page, customer can go to the customer page, then they will come to the circulation. And so that's all. So let's talk about the second one. Next requirement. It's related with the project modeling. Project data modeling is, first of all, we have a customer and the employee, and the learner books, library, book, and author. So the main ones is our customer and the employees. Both of them have a login, name, surname, and the customer have the password, email, library, and the time of the books. Employer have the phone, address, and the email. And as you can see, using our data modeling, customer can go to the using this library can get the name of the library from the library. Using the book name, we can get the information about the book, and the employee have the information about the learner book, libraries, and about the book. Using the book, we can get the information about the author. And so then, first of all, let's talk about our project UI design. First of all, at the first page, its name is role page. Before entering the site, everyone must choose the role, employer, or the user. Then this second one is a login page. If you have an account, you can enter the site by writing your username and password. Then registration page. As you can see, registration page. If you don't have an account, you can register on the site by entering your data, full name, mail, login, and a password. Then this page, it's a main page, as I said before. This main page after the registration. Here, all circulations of the library will be visible to employees and the user on the page. And then employee page, that's the employee page. And here is the if you're an employee here of this company, then you will have all power that the company will grant on this page. You can customize, edit, and monitor everyone, employees, users, and the circulations. And that's a page of the user. If you are a user or client of this company, then you will have limited powers which the company will grant and give permission. This page can be customized, monitored, searched, added, persuaded, and read. So they are not identical. So let's talk about the project software maintenance plan, and we divide it into problems or activities and solution and the expected results. First of all, let me give an example. Employees often forget that they have received a periodical and they don't pass it on to the next one on the list. Solution is that when the employees have finished reading the copy, he informs the system, and the system tells him where to send the copy using the internal email system. The next reader should confirm that they have received the copy. And here is the expected result: is the system will alert people when they forgot to send a copy or forget to confirm that they received a copy. So another problems, solution, and the expected results we can find in docs documents of the project.